performing for you. If you know the words, you can join in too. Put your hands together if you want to clap as we take you through this monkey rap. DJ Donkey Kong, he's the leader of the bunch. You know him well. He's finally back to kick some tail. His coconut gun can fire in spurts. If he shoots ya, it's gonna hurt. He's bigger, faster, and stronger too. He's the first member of the TK crew. TK, Donkey Kong. TK, Donkey Kong is here.
This Kong got style, so let's get it. She gets out to her hood. She's quick and nimble when she needs to. Then she can look through the air and climb up trees. If you choose her, you not choose wrong with a skip and a hot cheese. One good car. DJ Donkey Kong.
He has no style, has no grace. This car has a funny face. He can handstand when he needs to and stretch his arms out just for you. Inflates himself just like a balloon. This great Z-Kong just sings this tune. DJ Donkey Kong. DJ Donkey Kong is here.
It's about tattoo and this song's in the mood. He can forward high with his shit back on. With his whistles out, one tough call. He'll make us wild with his teeth. But remnants, rare, cause he's after you. DJ Donkey Kong. DJ Donkey Kong.
Last member of the TK crew. This Kong, so strong it isn't funny, can make a remnant cry out mummy. Pick up a boulder with relative ease, makes crushing rocks seem such a breeze. He ain't move slow, he can jump high, but this Kong's one heck of a guy. Come on, Cranky. Take it to the fridge. Walnut, peanut, pineapple smell. Grape nuts, oranges, and coconut shells. Walnuts, peanuts, pineapple smell. Grape melons, oranges, and coconut shells. Oh, yeah! Some tail. His coconut gun can fire in spurts. If he shoots ya, it's gonna hurt. He's bigger, faster, and stronger too. He's the first member of the TK crew. TK Donkey Kong. TK Donkey Kong is here.
This Kong's got style, so let's get it. She gets out to her hood. She's quick and nimble when she needs to. Then she can look through the air and climb up trees. If you choose her, you not choose wrong with a skip and a hot cheese. One good car. DJ Donkey Kong.
He has no style, has no grace. This Kong has a funny face. He can handstand when he needs to and stretch his arms out just for you. Inflates himself just like a balloon. This great Z-Kong just sings this tune. DJ Donkey Kong. DJ